ICI.
Sunod na tanong mula kay Bea Cooking Rockler.
Good afternoon, ma'am. The White House says it has signed trade deals with Malaysia and Cambodia, made framework trade agreements with Vietnam and Thailand. May we know what's the status of negotiations between the U.S. and the Philippines? May roadblocks po ba in the negotiations, if any? And do we have a deadline set for these negotiations?
Well, I was able to talk to Secretary Frederick Go just this morning. At sinabi po niya na meron pa po at patuloy po ang pakikipignegosasyon. At may mga issues po kasi na maaari natin sabihin komprehensibo, napatungkol po sa mga trade rules and regulations at pati na po yung mga non-tariff measures like yung services and investments. At nandun po kasi yung mga issues patungkol po sa gusto na protektahan ng bansa natin, yung mga agricultural products. At katulad po ng coconuts, pineapple, sugar, cocoa, electronic products. At yan po, ilan po ito sa mga hindi po sa ngayon makakayang i-negotiate ng basta-basta ng Pilipinas. So, nandun pa rin po ang pakikipag-usap para po yung ibang mga produkto natin ay hindi naman po maapektuhan.
Sunod na tanong mula kay Harleen Delgado, ABS-CBN.